Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install DeepSeek as a desktop app on your Windows 11 PC. It only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. I recommend using Google Chrome since it makes installing web apps quick and easy. Then go to DeepSeek.com. Once you're on the website, click Start Now and sign in to your DeepSeek account. If you don't already have one, you can create a free account in just a moment. After signing in, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. Select Cast, Save and Share, then click Install Page as App. A pop-up window will appear asking you to name the app. You can keep the name DeepSeek or enter a different one if you prefer. Then click Install. Windows will now install DeepSeek as a standalone desktop application. It will open in its own window, giving you an app-like experience without needing to keep it in a browser tab. To make it easier to access, right-click the DeepSeek icon on your taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar. This way, you can launch DeepSeek anytime with a single click. From now on, you can open DeepSeek directly from your taskbar or the Start menu and use it just like a regular desktop app, with all the same features as the web version. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips, AI tutorials, and tech guides.